A dramatic bodykit immediately makes this Challenger stand out, with the kit including a thoroughly revised front fascia with a new black grille, unique air intakes, and blacked-out shrouds around the new LED headlights. This new fascia gives the muscle car a bit of a retro-modern feel, and has perhaps taken some inspiration from the front end of the Charger EV concept. Elsewhere, Coast Motoring has equipped it with a new hood with a massive scoop to help keep the engine bay cool. The alterations made along the sides are even more dramatic, as the Challenger is rocking a pair of flared wheel arches, sits on a set of dramatic deep dish wheels, and features chrome-plated side exiting exhausts on both sides. Coast Motoring has also gone to town on the rear end of the Dodge, crafting a new lip spoiler for it, tinting the taillights, fitting it with a bespoke bumper, and installing a new diffuser. No modded car at the Tokyo Auto Salon would be complete without an over-the-top interior, and that's exactly what the Challenger has, with blue and black leather now adorning almost every interior surface. It has also been equipped with a pair of racing bucket seats, and includes some areas with yellow contrast stitching.